Hello, welcome to the channel where we talk about pressure washing and more. Today we're tackling an exciting project, washing a home with open soffits. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are open soffits? Open soffits are the exposed undersides of a building's roof overhang. They provide ventilation to the attic, allowing air to circulate and preventing moisture buildup, which can lead to mold and structural damage. But with these benefits come challenges, especially when it comes to cleaning. Open soffits are notoriously difficult to maintain. Their exposed nature means they accumulate dirt, debris, and algae more quickly than other parts of the home. Plus, their intricate design makes them tricky to paint, requiring more effort to ensure every nook and cranny is covered. That's where our expertise comes in. In this video, we'll be using a soft, gentle spray combined with a specially formulated cleaning solution applied with a downstream injector. This method allows us to thoroughly clean the soffits without causing any damage, leaving them looking fresh and pristine. We'll show you the transformation as we carefully wash away the buildup, revealing the clean, bright surfaces underneath. If you enjoy satisfying transformations and want to learn more about the techniques and tools we use, make sure to stick around. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. Your support helps us create more content and share our expertise with you. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.